Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, we have been watching that SushiSwap has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, the price and formed another rising wedge, and now recently we have broken down the support of the rising wedge pattern. And by the way, here we have a quite long-term support and resistance on that starts from 94 cents and goes to 85 cents. And you can see that previously it has been breaking as a very strong support here. And for several months, it has been breaking as a support here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got few rejections here. And after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. And for the past several weeks or months, it is breaking as a very, very nice support. And now after this rejection, the price has again dropped down at this support zone and getting accumulated above this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that previously it was breaking at a resistance, and now after the breakout, the price and is also testing this resistance of the Ichimoku cloud as a support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for GLMR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 9th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap, and here you can see that it was moving inside a very, very huge falling wedge pattern since after the month of December 2020. And after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, the price then finally broke it out. And after the breakout, imminently, it also broke out this very, very significant resistance on that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. Previously, it had been breaking as a support zone here. And for several weeks or months from the month of June 2022 up till the month of May 2023, more than a year, it has been breaking at a support zone. And after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a resistance zone here. We got rejection. And after the breakout, you can see that for the past several weeks from the month of November 2023 up till here, up to the month of April 2024, it is breaking as a very, very nice support. And at the same time, the price line has also broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. But now, after the rejection by this resistance, that was in fact a complete resistance on from $1.60 to $2 that had been previously breaking at the resistance on here, and resistance on here. And now it again broke at the resistance on, and the price line rejected by this resistance on, broke down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And right now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. In case of breaking down all these support levels, like the support zone that starts from 94 cents and goes to 85 cents, and this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, it can hit the target for the breakdown for this rising wedge pattern that can be here at the bottom of the bed. That will be approximately at 53 cents. And you can also observe that stochastic has also entered the oversold zone, just had the oversold zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see some more price accumulation here, and it will be really very difficult for the price to break down these support levels. And in case of a successful retest of these levels as a support, like this previous resistance of the falling this Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support, and this support zone, the price then can make another attempt to break out the next resistance on that starts from $1.40 and goes to $2. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very, very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the bed. That can be between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.